Welcome to Arabic Dictionary, your online guide to Arabic slang. A foreigner is no longer foreign when you understand their language. Show us in the comments below how you can use today's word in your own sentence for a chance to win a free cool Arabic Dictionary t-shirt. Today's word is Bosa. 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 With cross-cultural roots in Farsi, Bosa, French, Bisou, or Spanish, Beso, as well as many other languages, Bosa means a kiss. So, since my test results came back negative, can I have a Bosa now? Maybe? Bosa! Please like, subscribe, and share. Tell us in the comments if there are words you'd like us to feature next. Want to have a cool t-shirt with today's word and help a refugee? Today's word is available on t-shirts, mugs, and other cool products, and part of the proceeds will be donated to refugee assistance charities. Check out the links in our bio or in the description below.